Beautiful day on the lake. Time to do some underwater searching. Well, after a while, I've come across gold, baby. We found gold. It's always a bit nerve-wracking when you're bringing it back in. I've dropped many a thing, but luckily I managed to retrieve this one. Well, here it is, out the water. It's a 9 carat gold. I'm assuming it's a lady's bracelet because it's so small, but gold is gold.